Waterjet specialists at your service. Waterjet Sweden service team serve customers in more than 40 countries around the world. Our staff are specialized within the field of waterjet cutting and rightfully appreciated for fast, efficient support, online troubleshooting, and a high degree of personal commitment. The questions are: how much of your operation depend on the uptime of your machine park? And can Waterjet Sweden make a difference for your operation? Technical support. Via our hotline support, our technical expertise is available on a 24/7 basis. We stay in continuous standby mode in order to help you and give online troubleshooting on your machine. Get emergency assistance, advice for best practice, or guidance for prevention of future problems. Original Waterjet Sweden parts. Top quality and fastest delivery on the market. Secure your machine performance with original parts from world-leading suppliers. Waterjet Sweden original parts are based on proven design and thoroughly tested to give consistent performance and extended lifespan. We always ship them the same day you order them. Staff training. Let us enlighten you. Get the full potential out of your investment with our appreciated staff training services. With some extra training, most customers increase efficiency and profitability dramatically. Maintenance and support agreements. Get the best possible uptime at a fixed cost and call us anytime as much as you need. Maintenance and support agreements are available for customers using original Waterjet Sweden parts. With a preventive maintenance agreement, we plan for your regular service sessions and visit you when service is due. Our commitment also includes high-pressure pumps from most manufacturers on the market. Even as a non-Waterjet Sweden machine user, we can offer you our services for your pumps and start off a long-term relationship. The Waterjet Sweden support agreement gives you unlimited telephone support and immediate access via Waterjet Sweden hotline and TeamViewer. Upgrading and relocation. New control system, new ultra-high pressure pump, extra cutting tool, or just a new address? If your business needs are changing, we assist you. When purchasing new, we also trade in and resell your old equipment. Good service is about personal commitment, extensive knowledge, and treating our customer as part of the family. Together, we can optimize your machine performance, lower total cost, add uptime, and extend your machine lifespan. We believe in good service. Do you? Waterjet Sweden, devoted to performance.